Hi, happy Monday. Thank you very much for clicking on to today's video. So this is going to be like a read for guidance for this week. I'm using some angel cards today, but I wanted to share an update that I'm doing like on my personal reads. That's like if you're interested, and feel free to skip forward or whatever towards the reading. But basically with my the original reads that I was doing, they're $70, right? It's like a full spread, which the video, it's an unlisted YouTube video, and usually those reads are like 20 minutes. Sometimes they be going to like 25 minutes or whatever, depending on what comes out. But I made like mini versions of each one. And I forgot to add on the finances and career reads. I still do those if anybody was wondering. But yeah, you can get like a mini version of each read. But it's like half the time, half the price, which it will be like $35 for the mini version. Also, too, I added on like an oracle message. Like if you're just curious about what type of message would show up for you, I can do that. It is still very insightful too, even if you've gotten like a one question read. The one question reads, y'all, they're more than just like a yes or no type of answer. But don't ask a question to where it's like, you know, for sure it's gonna need like a full-blown read. Like I do not like when people do that, even if you feel like even if you ain't realize it, but it's to like be for real. Because it's like some of the insight that people be wanting, it's like they want to just pay $24 for it, and I feel like that's very disrespectful. But yeah, you can use the Linktree link that's located in my description box. Read the description box first, y'all, because if you asking about prices or if you not sending no type of greeting, it's like you're not even greeting me when you ask for a read, I will not respond back to you. So yeah, that's all I wanted to share real quick. But I'm gonna get into the guidance for this week. What guidance can I get to Cancers for this week? Thank you. So we got anticipate showing up here. So the guidance is almost like anticipating or like it's like get prepared or like get ready. Now, for what I don't know right now, but let's see. It says there should be a few challenges or obstacles awaiting for you on the way to success. By anticipating these ones, you will absolutely soften the problems and get more decisive solutions. So it's kind of giving like a success story, y'all. It's like every successful person has failed, and I'm talking about they could have failed like multiple times, but it's like knowing that you will always overcome any type of challenge or obstacle that could be in your way, because it's like you're destined for success. It's like when you are destined for success, it's like you got to expect some type of like obstacle or challenge. It's like that's just what it is. It's like every successful person has had some type of challenge or obstacle that they had to overcome, whether it just be like in your career. It could even just be like a certain area of your life. It don't have to be mainly about, work or career. It's just like in general. And I can actually think about a few for me right now, but we're gonna get into why this came out for y'all. And you could be trying to figure out too, it's like, why am I going through this? It's like, what is this about? So yeah, give me some insight on anticipate here for Cancers. Why did anticipate show up for Cancers, please? Oh, I forgot to share a message too. It's like really random and real short. I'm gonna have to do like a whole nother read, because I should have said it in the beginning, but I was trying to like plug myself in with the personal reads or whatever. But the Magician card is showing up here. So yeah, it's like no, like you could be needing to like not doubt your skills, y'all. It's like you the one, okay? Look, you the one with the Magician. It's like don't ever doubt yourself. It's like you can make anything work. You could for some people you could be like really heavy into like alchemy. Like you could be an alchemist. Have y'all ever read that book? That's like one of the first spiritual books I ever read though. Like seriously, it's a real good book, but it's called The Alchemist. But that's the energy I'm getting here. But yeah, with the Magician card showing up here, it's like you the one. You can make anything happen. So it's like forget the obstacles or challenges. Also too, the energy I'm getting too with the Magician card, like let's just say you make things, like you could be like an alchemist of some sort. It's like maybe you make some type of like potions, or could be like a recipe, and it's like of course you're gonna make some mistakes. You may have to do like a little bit of like experimenting, but it's just know that you're gonna get like the right thing. Are you gonna get the right recipe or like the perfect recipe? But of course, it's like a process. There could be a need to like trust the process as well. But you know, like if you are a creative or like an artist, it's like everybody got their own type of like creative process. So it may look kind of chaotic right now, but just know that it's gonna be like a masterpiece at the end of the day, or like when you finish or whatever. But yeah, that's the energy I'm getting too. But I'm gonna get another card out. Give me some insight here on anticipate for Cancers, please. What does anticipate mean here for Cancers? But also too, it shows where it's like you're manifesting, y'all. Don't ever doubt your manifestation skills. Sometimes we be manifesting stuff that we don't really want it to manifest, because it's like you always have some type of thought in your mind, right? It's like your thoughts are manifesting like as you're watching this video. So just be mindful of your thoughts too. Affirmations, you could be saying your affirmations too, or there could be a need to say your affirmations, especially when you are coming up against any type of like challenges or obstacles. It's like knowing that you can always get out of a situation or overcome any type of challenge. Like you can just affirm, it's like this is I don't know, you could just be want to be delusional. Like let's just say you are faced with some type of challenge or obstacle. It's like you can recite affirmations to overcome it or whatever. It's like you're using your power as well to overcome this energy that could be coming up against you. Let me see what else comes out here. Why is this card anticipate showing up for Cancer's guidance for this week? Five of Cups coming out here. For some people, you could be and it's kind of funny too, because the other day I was talking about transmuting energy, y'all. Yeah, if you in this Five of Cups type of energy, you could be kind of feeling sad or down about your current situation. It's like maybe you are focusing on the negatives of like, you know, or like dwelling on the negatives of your current situation. It's like it's time to get into your bag, like seriously. And I feel like it's more so like energetically and like mentally, not even like financially. It's like, yeah, you could be wanting to get into your bag like financially, but no, it's like it starts within. So it's like mentally wise, and also too like emotional, because with the Five of Cups, it's like a sad down type of energy. But it's like you could be wanting to like get out of that energy. Yeah, it's almost like for a slight second, it's like you could have forgot who you was because of your current circumstances. Let me see what else comes out here. Why did anticipate show up here for Cancers, please? Oh, Three of Pentacles coming out. For some people, you could be, because I feel like because with the Three of Pentacles showing up here in Judgment, there is something new that that you could be wanting to go towards. Like let's just say you're currently unsatisfied. I'm gonna just say unsatisfied. You could be slightly disappointed too in your current like work situation. This could even to be like business or whatever the case is. Your intuition could be telling you to like do something new. It's almost like it's time to do something new. Like I was saying, it's like it's time to get into your bag, but it's like you using your power. It's like you're using your skills, your talents. So it's like don't ever doubt yourself, even if like today or yesterday, it's like you could have kind of forgot who you was. It's almost like, But with the Three of Pentacles coming out, for some people, you could be like rebuilding as well. But I see something new or something good happening surrounding like work, career, business. That's what it looks like. Let me see what else comes out. Also, too, I'm hearing like problem solver. Something about quality what is it, quality control, or you know how like because sometimes I be having to do this too, like on YouTube, but basically it's like you doing some type of like quality control, or like, you know, it's like somebody who goes in and fixes like damages, or like try to fix things. It's like you got to clear some things out, or possibly even like edit things too. Editing could be very significant as well, but it's almost like seeing like a business, but it's like a person. It's like, of course you're gonna have to have somebody who goes in to fix like the little details of situations, or like, you know, of the business or whatever. That's what it seems like. And computers could be very significant too, like working on a laptop. It's like somebody like really going into the whole thing or whatever, like to clean some things up or like to fix things. That's what it looked like too. Give me some insight on anticipate here for Cancers. There was something else I wanted to say too, and it's surrounding like the type of job. Not saying that someone has this type of job, but it's like some type of skill that you have. And you don't even have to like, it don't even mean that you had to go to school to do it. It's like something that you could have like learned or just picked up along the way. But like you could be like really good on computers, or you can know how to like set things up or whatever. You know how like people be wanting to know like how to set up a YouTube channel. It's like, of course it is a process, so it's like you may know how to do that or whatever, but it's like maybe you taught yourself. I actually taught myself how to do it, but that's like I watched like a whole bunch of videos on like how to do it or whatever, and I still be watching them type of videos because there's always something new changing with YouTube or whatever, unfortunately. But yeah, give me some insight on anticipate for Cancers. Why is this showing up as their guidance for this week? So Ace of Cups coming out here. This could be like a new love situation happening for some people. You could have met somebody at work. Give me some insight here on anticipate for Cancers. There's fear right now surrounding possibly like a new beginning, but there's a need to work through the fears. It's like there could be a need to be assertive too, in regards to possibly like, you know, overcoming any type of challenge or obstacle. And it's like the challenge could or the obstacle could be like literally just fear. It's like self-doubt. That could be the obstacle for some people. There's a need to be assertive in regards to like your current situation. It's like whatever you could be disappointed about or feeling down about. What is this anticipate energy about for Cancers? What's it about? The Wheel of Fortune card. You could be anticipating change. The energy is given. It's like get prepared, get ready. There could be like an element of surprise too with this Magician card coming out. There could be some type of surprise or something that pops up surrounding like work or career for some people with this Three of Pentacles. It could even too be like social media. It's almost like you seeing something pop up on your timeline, but it's like that's the universe. You know how like, and that be happening too. I be thinking like, is the phone listening to what I'm saying? Like seriously, because I could be talking about something or like thinking about something that I did not say out loud, and I'll see it pop up on my usually be like my YouTube feed, because I don't really be on Instagram like that. But yeah, it will pop up on like on YouTube, and I think that's like really strange, but it's like that's the universe or whatever. I'm hoping it's the universe, and I hope it ain't the phone, because that's crazy. But yeah, it's like the universe showing you or like giving you signs about what it is that you're manifesting. Because it's like the fact that you thinking about it and it's like you ain't say it out loud, that means it's manifesting. It's like if you seeing it like pop up on your timeline or like your feed or whatever, or you can just see it, you know, when you out and about. Give me some insight here on there's like a creative aspect too of this situation, for some people, you could be experiencing like some creative blockages surrounding your work or career or like business. This could even too be like if you make content, like social media content or whatever, or it could just be in general. There's like some creative blockages that I'm seeing here. There's a need to like transmute that. It's like almost like whatever it is that you could be feeling kind of like disappointed about or sad about, it's like transmute that energy or be creative when it comes towards like what it is that you're doing to help you get out of this energy. But I feel like there's some creative blockages. And networking could be very significant too, like you networking with other creatives or people to help you, like to like inspire you in a sense for like what you do for work or career. That's what it looks like. Yeah, cell phones could be very significant too. It's almost like I don't know why I want to say like Snapchat. I don't have no Snapchat, never had one. But yeah, it's giving that, or like you just like you could be popping up on like people's feed or something. That's what it looks like, y'all. Or you may see something pop up on your feed, like social media. I'm gonna actually clarify this again really quick. Give me some insight on anticipate here for Cancers. Why did anticipate show up for their guidance for this week? Yeah, so yeah, whatever you're doing, y'all, you're doing a really great job. It's like, don't ever doubt yourself. Like I said, it's like you the one when it comes towards like your skills, your abilities. Okay, that's what it's looking like. And even if you think you messing up or whatever, you still good too. It's like, you know, sometimes we be like our own worst critic. But yeah, it's like you could be needing to just relax. It's like everything's working out in your favor, like seriously. But it looks like there's going to be some changes, some positive changes surrounding possibly like work, career, business. Even too, it could even be like your this could be like someone's love life, but I see like some type of collaboration, or like you working with could be like two other people, could be like a new work environment too. But it's like, yeah, you're doing a really great job. But I feel like strongly for some people, there's something that you know how to do to where somebody may be needing your assistance. So this is like causing some type of like positive change, especially if you could be like disappointed like with a current work situation. So yeah, you could be in some type of opportunity to start something new. Could be surrounding business or social media. Someone could be like a social media manager or something too. That's what I'm seeing. Cause it's like somebody's like for somebody's business or like a work situation. It's like you could hire somebody to do the marketing aspect of it. To help you design some things too. It's like both of these, well, all three of these people, they know how to do different things. But it's like together, they're working on like one thing. That's what it looks like. So I'm going to actually end the read here, y'all, because it's already 18 minutes. But thank you very much for watching.